Hi there folks, and welcome to this easiest way to learn C programming. In this video I will show you how to learn C coding in an easiest way that you can imagine. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So today we're going to learn structures with structures in C. And let me go ahead and maximize this editor. And as you may have noticed, I have these statements added a while ago, and I have named this file as well, ex67_structures with structures.c. So we're going to practice making codes, and I do believe that this is the best way to learn coding. More hands-on exercises, and at the end of this video I encourage you to answer the question because it's the best way to teach yourself in C programming. So going back to the statements that I have added a while ago, the members of a structure may also be structure. For example, in this statements that I have created in here, you notice that I have created two structure, and again, structure is a user-defined data type that groups related variables of different data types. So let's go ahead and run this real quick. Compile and run. So the circle is 3.14, center is at 3.4, which is correct. So let me give you another example. Let me go ahead and delete this lines. So in this another example, as you can see, I have created the statements in here. These statements, or these statements that are similar to the previous one. So nested curly braces are used to initialize members that are structs. The dot operator, and this on this line, the dot operator is used twice to access members of members, as in this line or on the statements. So you have used the dots twice to access members of members of the structure. So let's go ahead and run this, compile and run, and as you can see, the result is what we expected. So just a quick note that the struct definition must appear before it can be used inside another structure or struct. And also, street structures are really great. You can almost cover all object relation types, like for example composition, aggregation, association with structures. The structure is almost similar to array. The difference is that array members are of the same data type, while in struct, the members can have different data type. So basically, C is one of the most complete languages resource-wise. No wonder it's still so largely sought after. And so that's the reason why C has been used for so many companies up until now. So that's it for this video, and before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. So let me go ahead and switch to this tab, and I want you to fill in the blanks to declare a structure big having a small structure member named S. So as you can see, there's a lot of missing piece. There's a lot of information in here that needs to be filled in, and if you know the answer, feel free to put it in the comment section below. Thank you.